In 2025, Royal Enfield will again release the latest model with a classic retro style that offers a riding experience. For Royal Enfield fans, the all-new Classic 350 DIY is the right choice for those of you who want a motorbike with a classic design that can be customized according to personal taste and offers adequate comfort and performance for long trips. The Royal Enfield all-new Classic 350 DIY is a variant of the classic retro motorbike that offers a distinctive riding experience and can be customized according to personal preference. With a variety of official accessory options and factory customization programs, this motorbike is perfect for those of you who want to express your personal style through your ride. Royal Enfield provides a variety of official accessories for the Classic 350, including engine guards, luggage, seats, and hand guards. In addition, the factory custom program allows you to customize the bike straight from the factory, including color choices, seat covers, and stickers, with a production time of around 90 days. With a 349.3 cubic centimeters engine that produces 20.2 PS and 27 Newton meters of torque, the Classic 350 offers enough performance for casual rides and touring. The new chassis and upgraded suspension system provide comfort and stability, while the main balancer shaft reduces vibrations, making it comfortable for long-distance rides.